Now, here's a question that I hear from some YouTubers, and the question is, can you add a link to your video description? Yes, of course, you can add a link to your video description. And I'm going to switch to my PC real soon so I can show you guys how easy it is to add a link to any video description on YouTube. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And don't remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, in order for you to add links to your YouTube videos, all you have to do is come to your YouTube studio. Once you've gotten here, just click on content. Then once you've clicked on content, look for any video that you know that you want to add a video link to. So just choose any video. Let me say I want to do it on this video. Then click on this detail icon, this detail pencil icon. So click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to be able to change anything that you want to change in your description. So as you can see, I already have some link here on this video, so I'm going to remove these links so that I can show you guys how it works. So I'm going to remove this link, and then I'm going to add this new link over here that I kept, so I can use to show you guys how this works. So all I have to do is just put the link in here. As you can see, these are 3 links over here, and I will advise that you guys, when you are about to add any links, make sure that you add this HTTP. You see this stuff, make sure that it begins any link that you want to add on your video, because if this thing is not in your video, then it's not going to work, or rather if it's not in the link, it's not going to work. So once you've added all this, right now you can see that it doesn't look linkable. It doesn't look like it works right now. That's because I haven't saved it and I haven't gone to the video. So once you've actually done this, you have added your links, all you have to do is save it. If you do not save it, it's not going to work as well. So once you've saved it, let me show you guys how it's going to look like right now. So let me go to the video real quick. Alright, all we have to do is just scroll below and then go to the description so we can see that it's working. So as you can see right now, you can see that the link is actually working. You can see the one to contact me is working. You can see these other videos that I placed here. Let me click on one so you see. So if I want to click on that, you can see it takes me to the video. So that's actually how to add a link to your YouTube video. And remember what I told you guys, make sure that you add this HTTP before adding your link. Very important. And then after you've added your link, click on save, or else it's not going to work. So that's how it is when it comes to adding links to your YouTube video. It's very, very easy. If you would like to learn on how to add subscribe animations to your YouTube videos, like this one that you can see on your screen right now, then I would suggest that you watch this video to learn on how to add good looking subscribe animations to all your YouTube videos. So I'm going to be suggesting that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.